Is it actually recording? Hello? Yeah. Morning, hi. Right, just want to talk you through my restoration pack. It is going to be the greatest gift of Christmas 2025. Even if you never restored a piece of furniture in your life, you're going to be able to follow these 3 simple steps passed down by a family, generations of experience, all bottled into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is really simple. I'll talk you through the box. Obviously inside the box, oh shit, hold on, I'm not pressing stop. It's just real life, isn't it? It's just real life. Right, inside the box there is lots of nice information all done by my wonderful PR cousin Jane, and there's QR codes there showing you how to use the restoration kit, and then there's some simple instructions to read and loads of bump. And basically there's 3 simple steps. So step 1 is revive. So you're just going to take this bottle, all the magic ingredients for reviving a piece of furniture is in there. You're going to take this nice piece of fine wire wool, which we provide obviously inside the box, and give it a shake, and then you're going to rub with the grain, and this is going to start to clean. So this is really good for sun bleached furniture, water damaged furniture, anything, all those awful white marks, tired, flaky, whatever, old wooden, inside that bottle, shake it. Apply it with this, go with the grain, you'll start to see it feeding, cleaning, moving. It's really, really nice. So that is step 1, and that is it. Simple. Leave that for half an hour. Step 2, some really nice, fine shellacs. There's garnet flakes, there's the blonde flakes, really all the tips, all the nice bits of shellac blended by us, everything, is inside this bottle. I've made you a rubber there, slang term. Well, it's actually called fad, but anyway, sounds really boring. Pour that, shake the bottle, pour it in a jug, yeah? Dip your fad inside there, give it a squeeze, go with the grain, and seal in, polishing over where you've just been. Leave it for 10 minutes. If you want to give it another one, you can. That's it. Put those away, wait for about half an hour or an hour. And then step 3, this is our #1 selling wax anyway. This replenish wax is really good. It's not like all the big commercial waxes full of all white spirits. That's really nice. Old oils, pure gum turpentine, which is the organic version, and loads and loads of beeswax, lots of different things, all measured out. Obviously this is an empty one, I'll send you a full one. And controversially now, you're going to take a fine piece of wire wool again, and you're going to put it in the wax, and you're going to go over this really lightly over the top. So this is where it's bulletproof for people, because that's just going to leave you a nice satin clean finish. So even if you left it streaky or patchy, it's your first time polishing, step 3 with this special replenish wax is going to leave you with a nice even clean polished surface, and that is it. You can take the cloth if you want and give it a buff, or you can add a little bit more wax and give it a buff, but they are the 3 steps. So we are there. Look, revive, restore, replenish, all in a box, all for under 50 quid. First 10 people who order one, I'll post it out to you for free. There's some UR Matron gloves there, so you can keep your hands nice. It's all looking lovely. So if you've never restored furniture in your life, you want to do it, you want a perfect gift for someone, or you're a crafter, or you're DIY, you've got an old piece of furniture, but you don't want to pay a French polisher like me hundreds and hundreds of pounds to restore it, then just buy this kit, follow the instructions, and replenish and restore your own piece of furniture. Thank you very much. Cheers.